Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about TVS Riders 125. TVS Raider is a motorcycle with a starting price of 85,973. It is available in India in 3 variants and 4 colors with high-end variant price starting from 99,990. Raider is powered by a 124.8cc BS6 engine which develops a power of 11.38 PS and a torque of 11.2 Nm. It has disc front brakes and drum rear brakes. The weight of TVS Raider is 123 kg and comes with a fuel tank capacity of 10 L. The Hosur-based bike maker re-entered the 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle segment with the TVS Raider. Armed with several segment-first features, the Raider is essentially a premium 125 cubic centimeters bike rather than an entry-level, no-frills one. TVS Raider 125 price. The TVS Raider 125 is available in 3 variants: drum brake, priced at 85,973 rupees, front disc brake, priced at 93,489 rupees, and Smart Zonict bearing a price tag of 99,990. The 125 cubic centimeters sporty commuter is available in 4 different colors: striking red, blazing blue, wicked black and fiery yellow. TVS Raider 125 features. The TVS Raider comes feature-packed with modern technology. It gets an all-digital instrumentation with real-time mileage, range, gear position with gear shift indicator, helmet reminder, eco and power ride modes, 3 trip meters, odometer, clock, top speed and average speed recorder, and fuel gauge. Moreover, the top-spec Raider gets a 5-inch TFT console with voice assist. It comes loaded to the gills with tech like Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation along with auto navigation in case of low fuel, weather updates, music control, call/message notifications and alerts, as well as cricket/news updates. In addition, the Raider also gets an all-LED headlight with DRLs, an LED tail lamp, and halogen indicators. It also features a USB charging port, optional, CBS, and under-seat storage large enough to accommodate a smartphone and some other small knickknacks. TVS Raider 125 engine. The TVS Raider 125 is powered by a 124.8 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled, 3-valve, fuel-injected engine. It produces 11.38 PS and 11.2 Nm, and is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. Moreover, the engine features TVS patented oil-cooled combustion chamber with an internal oil cooler. The TVS Raider offers a claimed mileage of 67 kmpl, which is quite good for the 125 cubic centimeters bike segment. The TVS Raider 125 gets 2 ride modes, Eco and Power. In Eco mode there's a 3% drop in performance, but the mileage increases by a claimed 3%. Interestingly, switching to the Power mode offers a claimed 10% higher top speed, with a 0.4 second quicker sprint to 60 km per hour. Additionally, the bike features an integrated starter generator for silent starts, and an idling stop-start system to conserve fuel in heavy traffic. The bike shuts off after a while when it is stationary in neutral but can be turned back on by twisting the throttle. TVS Raider 125 underpinnings. The TVS Raider gets a telescopic front fork and a 5-step preload adjustable gas-charged monoshock. Braking hardware includes a 240 mm pedal disc up front and a 130 mm drum unit at the rear on the top variant. On the base variant, TVS offers drum brakes at both ends for an even more affordable price tag. The Raider rolls on 17-inch alloys shod with TVS Remra tires measuring 80 section at the front and 100 section at the rear. The TVS Raider packs a 10-liter fuel tank, and a seat height of 780 mm. At 123 kg curb, the Raider is fairly light for its segment. TVS Raider 125 rivals. The TVS Raider rivals the likes of Honda SP125, Hero Glamourstech, Kiwi SR125 and more premium offerings like the Bajaj Pulsar NS125. Other options in the price range include the Bajaj Pulsar 125, Honda Livo, Honda Grazia, Yamaha ZR Street Rally 125 Fi Hybrid, and Suzuki Bergman Street. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.